Hi, my name is Filippo Berto from Berto, a design company based in Meda, and we are here for a very nice project with my friend Mr. Loreto, because we have made a chair from our catalog, but this time we have made it special. It is made with our technology and with our idea of manufacturing, made in Meda, but this time we have decided to make something together, joining two different technologies. So today we are here to make it happen with our King Flavio Cairoli, and we are making it here.
Thank you, Filippo. I am Loreto Di Rienzo, Technology Ambassador from Dyloan, and we're representing the House project. The House is one urban laboratory in Milano, and with Filippo we search to connect the artisan activity and mix with the technology. In this case, the armchair Hanna give us the very interesting stimulation, because we involve in this project different players. We involve, for example, Vittorio Branchizio is one designer in work around the graphics. We involve the Woolmark Company because the material is wool, and a very interesting subject is connect the leather and the wool. Dyed too is sustainable dyed colors, is made with Tintoria Di Quaregna, and we insert inside, because this is made with one technology is thermo-welded, and inside of this have one wool from Imbotex for give this particularly graphics design. In the same time, the stimulation is very interesting, and we involve two Shima Seiki, one knitwear company. They make the machine, because in this case we have another effect, is yes, embossed, but is directly made with the machine. And we give all this idea, this prototyping panel to Berto for understand where is the final effect, for understand where is what work better. And I am curious for understand where is the final result, Filippo.
Yes, we started from a project designed by Castello Gravinese, and we're also curious to see if we can match our technology and manufacturing skill together. And so let's see what we do with this beautiful fabric.
Yes.
So we have this wooden design frame, and it is very special because chair must be really comfortable. So material like fabrics or leather must really be perfect to join our body, to have a very nice design and also a beautiful comfort. So this time we are looking if this material, which is so soft, is unbelievable how this wool is absolutely soft. It's like a pillow.
Yes.
It's already an upholstery, basically, of this material.
Yes, we chose this type of material because really this is applied in the back of the chair, no, I think.
Yes.
And this gives a very, very comfortable when you sit down. No?
Yes, it is.
It is.
It is.
I won't try this chair.
Yes. Here you have your head and your shoulder that must be like a hug. This chair is not easy because must be perfect in every inch must be perfect. we have this iron frame, we have this foam which shape design. So both leather and fabric must be really fitting perfectly to have a nice final product.
Thank you very much. I wish one good experience from new content material.
Okay, thank you.